Welcome to Khasi Crash Course 2, and today we shall learn about animals, and in Khasi we call it Kimrat. You can repeat after me, Kimrat. The first one is Kso. Kso means a dog, Kso. Cat is Meow. Meow, it's like the sound meow. SNIANG. SNIANG, there's a nasal sound, the sound comes from the nose. SNIANG. SHRIEH. SHRIEH, so SHRIEH. SHRIEH. SYIAR. 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 DOHKHA. 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 SIM. 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 Mùi. 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 Sing, just like in English. Sing. Sing. HATI. 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 KLA. KLA, so KLA. BLANG. 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 SYIAR. SYIAR. MASI. 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 SURI. 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 SKY. 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 Dengem. This is a little bit difficult, but you can try it. Dengem. It's not impossible. Dengem. Dengem. Mersiang. 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 Kuratia. 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 Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you once again.